So this is how you can turn off the AirPods Max when it's reading notifications to you. Let's get into it. Right, so that basically means that, or reading any kind of messages for that matter, but this basically means that whenever you have your AirPods over your ears, you might be receiving notifications directly into your ears, which can be managed inside of these settings. And then when you go to the Siri or Apple Intelligence and Siri, you have some options. So we have the announce calls as well as announce notifications. So when you click on announce notifications, you can turn it off entirely, which means that it will not work ever, or you can turn it off for headphones only, right? So that's another possibility. Or you can scroll down directly through the apps right there and basically find the app that you like. And you can, for example, just go to messages directly and turn it off for that only. As you are already in here, you have some other options as well. So you, for example, have the messaging with Siri. So you have the automatically send messages, and you can also just do that or enable it. Or if you do have that enabled, just turn it off. So you don't even have to do that. You also have announcing of the calls. So you can also just choose it to be always headphones and car or headphones only. I personally set it to never. Therefore, no calls or messages or anything else is announced during me using the AirPods. So these are the most important things you should know about. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to fix it or turn it off. If there are more things and questions that you have in mind, then leave them below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.